You could buy an apartment in Dubai that comes with private pool, flexible payment plans, and strong investment potential. Would you consider it? Today, I'm going to show you a project that exactly offers that. Hi, I'm Kriya, your Dubai real estate expert. Today, we are taking a look at Samana Boulevard Heights, a luxury residential project designed for modern living and smart investments in Dubai. Samana Boulevard Heights is located in Dubai Land Residence Complex, which is one of the fastest growing residential communities in Dubai. The project features 17 floors, total of 541 apartments designed with contemporary architecture and lifestyle focused amenities. One of the standout feature of this project is that every apartment comes with its own private pool, gives resort lifestyle living experiences directly to your home. Now, the developer behind this project is Samana Developers, a well-known name in Dubai's real estate market. Their developments are designed to combine lifestyle, comfort, and long-term value. The location offers easy access to major roads like Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, Emirates Road, and Dubai Island Road, making commuting across the city convenient. Key destinations nearby include Global Village, which is 5 to 10 minutes, Dubai Outlet Mall, which is again 10 to 15 minutes drive, Mirtif City Center and Dubai Airport is a bit around 15 to 20 minutes, Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa in about 20 to 25 minutes away. This makes the project attractive for both residents and investors. The project offers a wide range of lifestyle amenities designed for comfort and leisure. Some of the key amenities include state-of-the-art gym, outdoor swimming pool, jogging track, sun deck, kids pool and kids play area, outdoor cinema, shaded lounge areas, and of course a private pool in every apartment, which is one of Samana's signature features. The project offers a range of apartment options suitable for both investors and end users. Units options include studio apartments with private pools starting from around 408 square feet, one bedroom apartments with pools starting from 762 to 814 square feet. However, two bedroom apartment with pools starting from around 1286 to 1511 square feet. These layouts are designed to maximize space while offering modern and comfortable living. One of the biggest advantage of this project is its flexible payment plan. The plan starts with 10% down payment followed by small monthly installments. There are options where you can pay 1% per month for up to 70 to 75 months, making it much easier for the investors to enter into Dubai real estate market. Now, there are three major reasons that investors are looking at this project. Very first is, of course, the location, Dubai Land Residence Complex, which is one of the fastest developing area right now in Dubai. Second, unique concept of having private pool in every unit, which increases rental appeal. Third is flexible payment plan, which makes investment accessible for many buyers. So if you are looking for a property investment in Dubai that combines modern design, lifestyle amenities, and strong investment potential, Samana Boulevard Heights is worth considering. If you would like to know more about this project or want to explore similar investment opportunities in Dubai, feel free to reach out.